as growth associate at Mindler, closely working with the ICCC organizing team and also interacting with a lot of professionals on daily basis who belong to a diverse professional background, I, like many of my colleagues, have come to realize that there are a few questions which require good answers related to the ICCC program and also a bit about the career coaching domain as well. Now, to answer to all your queries, I've first picked up the three most frequently asked questions. And to start with, the first question that we have is, what is ICC? Now, this is the most frequently asked question and also the most common mistake that our participants or even people who are looking forward to a career coaching training program make, that it is not ICC, it is International Certified Career Coach Program or the ICCC program. Why do I have to highlight this? Is because I have actually come across an application where somebody wrote that they want to become a cricket coach and not a career coach. So let's first be clear that it's ICCC. Now, to give you a brief about the whole ICCC program, it starts with the foundation level, as there are three levels to it. The foundation level gives you a good overview about the whole career coaching domain and also what you should be expecting from Mindler and how we can be helping you in your journey as a career coach. Second, there's ICCC advanced level, which helps you explore further and also deeper into the domain of career coaching with a lot of theoretical and practical exposure that you will be getting during this program. Along with, you will get an access to the Mindler's partner portal through which you can establish yourself as a career coach. And if you're already a career coach, then this will definitely help you in refining your skills further based on the 21st century expertise and the requirements of this generation. Then the third and the final level is the master's level of ICCC, which again helps you with a lot of refinement that you can bring in your career coaching and helping skills. Then you're given a lot of exposure based on what are the global labor market requirements, then how are we becoming globally competent in terms of career coaching as well, and also how to train our students accordingly and help our students in that manner. So these are the three levels that are brought to you by Mindler. Now our credentialing bodies are NCD and CDA. You can read about them further on our website also, the link of which is provided in the description. So that's about ICCC program. Now, taking up the next question that I have is, what is the duration of the program? Now, to start with, if I have to collectively tell you the duration, it is of 6.5 months, but the whole program is divided in a way that foundation is for 2 days, advanced is for 3 months of training, plus 1 month of partner portal access for you. Then masters is again for 3 months. So that's the duration of it. You can plan your timeline accordingly with hours. And as we also share the schedule with you before time, so you can definitely do that. Now, taking you to the third question, and my favorite actually, that is there a shortcut to the program? No, I'm really sorry, there's no shortcut to ICCC program. That is because ICCC already is divided into such enlightening sessions that you get the chance to interact with all the experts here that we have here with us. Like we have Mr. Parikshit Dhanda, we have Ms. Shilpa Singh, we have Mr. Nirmal Agarwal, we have Dr. N.K. Chadda. You can read about all four of them and understand what your sessions are going to be like. So each session has a huge significance for you as a career coach to refine your skills, to help you interact with them, because all of these professionals have a good background. They are Harvard, Stanford alums. Then they are also, like Dr. Chadda is the past HOD of psychology department of University of Delhi, and you can read actually about them and realize that you will get to learn a lot from them. Along with that, 3 months you realize is not that big of a time. It may seem like it's so much, but when you start training with us, you'll realize that you need more hours with us, and we are more open to that as well. So yeah, there's no shortcut to it. You can definitely align your timeline with ours because we are open to it. We share the schedule with you. You can plan your day accordingly, and in case there's some miss on your end or something, you can definitely reach out to us for that. So these are the 3 questions that I wanted to pick. One also that I want to share here, as we were talking about live sessions or interactive sessions, then we do use the online mode for training, as currently we are resorted to online only. Previously we used to do offline sessions. So for today, I guess these are enough. In case you have any more questions, do feel free to write that in the comment box, or you can go to hello@mindlear.com, the link which is provided in description also, and write to us for any more queries that you may have. We will reach out to you in maximum of 2 to 3 days. We ideally do that in 24 hours. Don't worry about it. So thank you so much. Do take care of yourself, and do reach out for any questions that you may have.